What's the meaning of astrology? Astrology. Astrology.
Astrology. Astrology. Astrology refers to a set of beliefs and practices that suggest a connection between the positions and movements of celestial bodies in relation to human affairs. It is based on the idea that there is a relationship between the placement of the planets and stars at the time of a person's birth and their personality, relationships, and life events. Astrologers use various methods, including horoscopes, to interpret this information and provide insights into the individual's past, present, and future. Despite its widespread popularity, astrology remains a controversial practice in the scientific community, with many dismissing it as pseudoscience.